Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Arish Explains in English YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to Arish Explains in English YouTube channel. So, in coordinate geometry chapter, we are going to discuss topic number 1: distance between 2 points. Distance between any 2 points given in a coordinate system. So, before going to distance between 2 points, we have to know about coordinate system. Coordinate system. What is coordinate system? So coordinate system is nothing but you may be learning the number line in lower sections. So number line is like this. This is the number line. Okay. So we'll be placing 0. I'll place here. This is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next -1. -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay. This is the number line. Whereas to indicate a point, this is number line. In that way, for example, imagine there are lines. Okay, this line indicates -3, this line indicates 1. Okay, so for example, if I keep a point on this line, okay, so this is on 3, right? This point is on 3. If you imagine, so this point is on number line 3. But where it is on 3, for example, this is somewhere infinity, this line is extended to some infinity distance. So is it there or here? So to clarify this point, to identifying this point exactly where it is, we have attached one more number line in this way. Okay. See, these are the basic doubts every student will be having who gets stuck at some point. Okay, so let me write. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, this is nothing but one more number line which is tilted like this. That's all. Okay, don't worry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 6, 7. Right? So now we are familiar with this coordinate system or number lines, 2 number lines. Okay, and this is 90 degrees. Okay, this is at 90 degrees. To make clarity, I'm not mentioning here, but this point is 0 for this line and this line. Now what is our point? What is our topic? Distance between 2 points. Let us come from easy level to hard level. So we'll complete the distance between 2 points topic in this video. So here if you take any points, for example, you take from here to, okay, before going to distance, let us mark some points here. Okay, this is one point. All right, and one more is this one. You can consider any point, not a problem. Just I'm taking generally any point you can take. Okay. See, naming these points is somehow, see, x comma y, right? Forgot to say this is called x axis. This is called y axis. Okay, y axis. So these two are the axes. And x coordinate is on x line, y coordinate is on y line. So naming a point, like defining a point, is x comma y. X is x coordinate and y is y coordinate. Y axis coordinate is y and x axis coordinate is x. Okay. X is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. We generally do not use this, but for competitive exams or general exams, we need those. We need those knowledge. So let us name these as A, B, C, D. Here let me find the coordinates of x and y for all the A, B, C, D. Okay. So let us find A value. What is the vertices A? A, B. Let me write C, D here. Okay. X comma y. X comma y values. Okay. X comma y. X comma y. For differentiating, let me write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. See, these are nothing but we are naming here. We are just giving the variable and a different name. That's all. Y2. Sorry. So what is the x1 and y1 value? X1 value is C. Here it is x. So only x ordinate, that is abscissa, should be there. So x value is 4, right? 4 comma. What is the y value? That is 1. Okay. We do not do any operation. This is like our name. So this point's name is like 4 comma 1. That should be fixed. We cannot do any operations on this 2 and you can just 4 plus 1 is 5, that is 5. You cannot do like that. That is like a name to that point. So next, coming to B, x2 comma y2. So this is x2 comma y2. x2, do not write minus 2 comma 7. You have to write 7 comma minus 2 because x ordinate will be first one. 7 comma minus 2. Next, coming to C. C is here. Minus 4 because this is x-axis, right? This is x-axis. So minus 4 first, then minus 3. So C is minus 4 comma minus 3. And next D. D is here. So x-axis is first, not y-axis. So x-axis minus 2 comma 4. So this is the way how you name a point or how you give the vertices to a point, like how you give coordinates to a point. So the basic concept is completed to go to distance between 2 points. So let us go to distance between 2 points. So in finding the distance, you can take any 2 points like A, B, B, C, C, D. But as I said, you will go with simple topics. So let me erase this so that I can clearly explain you the distance. Okay, let me take out these two. So if you consider, and one more point which I missed is, if there is a point on this, there is a point here, if there is a point here, if there is a point here. So how to give values to those points? So what is the x value here? X value. So imagine lines here on x-axis first. Okay, x value is what? 2. Then y value is what? Here it is y is 1. Here it is minus 1. What is here? As I told you, this is 0 for both the lines. So this is 0. Similarly, if you take here this point is, this is minus 4, that is y. Okay, but x, what is x? X is 0. Okay, and this center point is obviously 0 comma 0. This is called origin. Okay, origin. So if you consider 2 points on the axis, so on the axis, that implies if you consider minus 6 as A and minus 2 as B, okay, you can consider these 2 points and we have to find the distance between 2 points. In the same way for y axis also. Let me consider at 5 and at 1. Okay, what is the distance here? For example, consider 1 unit. 1 unit equals to 1 centimeter for both x and y axis. See, this coordinate system, in this coordinate system we can consider 1 unit as 100 centimeters, 1 unit as 1000 centimeters. This is like a Google map. If you scroll, if you zoom it, it will change the units to the right down corner. In the same way, you can keep any units, unit can be taken as any measurement. So here, if you take this one, what is the coordinate point here? X-axis is 0, 0 comma 1. Here for 5, 0 comma 5. With these points, we can conclude that on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Is that clear? So on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. On x-axis, let us check on x-axis. On x-axis, x is minus 6, y is 0, minus 2, y coordinate is 0. See, as you can see, 0, 0, 0, 0. On x-axis, y coordinate, that is ordinate, is 0, and on y-axis, abscissa is 0. Right? So let us find the distance between these 2 points. So distance between these 2 points is nothing but from here to here. What is the distance? Right? And from here to here, what is the distance? Simply you can find 1 centimeter, as I told you. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 centimeter. And what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, both are same. 4 centimeters. Simply you can find like this. But if I give you some hundredth value, 1111 first value, then I'll take it to 1 lakh value. Then what you'll do? You'll count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and even there may be a change in unit 2. You can't tell that. So for that purpose, what we'll do? Let us consider this as 0 comma y1, okay, 0 comma y1, and this one as 0 comma y2. All right. If you check this, y2 is nothing but 5, right? y1 is 1. Here you can check. So what is the formula you are getting here? What is the formula here? y2 minus y1, is that right? 5 minus 1 is 4 centimeters. Okay, let us check for other two. You take 4 and 2. 2 and 4, between 2 and 4, 1, 2, only 2 centimeters, right? You can take y2 value is 4 and y1 value is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 centimeters. So verification done. But you have to take modulus here. Modulus implies whatever the values, if you get negative value, we'll convert it into positive value, because we are testing the distance. So let us check with x-axis also. Okay, let us check with x-axis also. Here this is 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, as you can count it. When you cannot count it, you can simply say this as x1 comma 0 and x2 comma 0. What I did here, x2 minus y2 minus y1. Same thing here also, x2 minus x1. Let us do x2 minus x1. Okay, x2 value is minus 2. So be careful about minus sign here in complete coordinate geometry. Okay, let us take brackets here to clarify. Minus 2, here this is multiplication, because minus into minus is plus 6. Okay, this is 6 minus 2, simply plus 6 or minus. Okay, this is 4. For this calculation, we will make a separate video. If you do not know, please refer the books. So this is 4. So 4 is the correct answer. So this formula is correct for this one. So x2 minus x1, but this is modulus, because if I take x minus x2, or this as x2 and that as x1, you can just simply keep this sign, and if you get minus 4 also, because since this is a distance, can keep modulus. So we derive two formulas in distance between 2 points, that is x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. When this is applicable, main condition is when the points are on the axis, x-axis or y-axis. If they are on the x-axis, x2 minus x1. If they are on the y-axis, y2 minus y1. So this is the basic thing to understand to go forward to find the distance between any 2 points on the coordinate system. Like, share and subscribe Harish Explains YouTube channel.